Hey, Fred Lam here, and listen up. I'm actually super excited on what I actually have upcoming for you guys on behalf of the legend, Mr. Robert Kiyosaki, the best-selling author of Rich Dad Poor Dad. Now listen, okay? When I was first washing dishes, this exact book right here that I'm actually holding on to completely changed my life. And the reason why it changed my life is because it actually helped me understand how to actually achieve financial freedom using what Robert Kiyosaki calls it, the cash flow quadrant. Now, this is actually a very important deal, especially for those of you who are wanting to start your online business or planning on scaling your existing online business, because you need to absolutely understand how money works. Now, not just any money. Here's something that you need to know. For those of you who are having a job, first things first, I hate to say this, but you are just over broke. And that's what Mr. Robert Kiyosaki has actually taught me and actually helped me got onto the path of becoming an entrepreneur. Because working as a dead-end job, you're not going to get anywhere. You're not going to get financial freedom. You're not going to get the results that you absolutely wanted. So through my years of actually becoming an online entrepreneur, I keep reflecting back to this book. It has taught me a lot of things. Now here's something that is absolutely amazing for you. And guess what? In the upcoming week, okay, Mr. Robert Kiyosaki and his entire Rich Dad team is hosting a 2-day virtual summit. And in the summit, he's gonna help you and walk you through exactly how to go from being an employee, going to self-employed, going to a business, and also how to become an investor. And he has actually brought on the industry titans to actually be there with you for 2 days. Now, 2 full days with Mr. Robert Kiyosaki, his team, his network, and everything. And all you gotta do is simply just invest $1. That's your entry ticket. It's just $1. And I actually have this dollar right now, okay? Like $1 US. That's all you need. $1, and you can actually learn directly, not just from Mr. Robert Kiyosaki, but his entire network of legal experts, tax experts, Bitcoin experts, real estate experts, and everyone that actually are going to be there to help you succeed online. Now, if you actually scroll down further below this video, you'll actually see the exact topics on what is going to be covered for just $1. So listen, okay, skip the can of soda or the bag of chips or something, right? And use that dollar to actually get your ticket to Rich Dad Summit. This $1 will completely change your life, and I can guarantee you that right now. So again, scroll down right below, check out the details, and most importantly, save your seat. It's just $1, okay? It is just $1. So click on the link below, and I look forward on seeing you at the Rich Dad Summit.